Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning to everyone present in this session. Welcome to Sarosh Digital Learning. Students, in the last session, we have studied chapter number 16, Natural Resources, class 7, science subject. Open your page number 104. We almost covered page number 104. In that, natural resources in the earth crust, minerals and ores. Today we shall continue how is minerals formed. Page number 104. How are minerals formed? Minerals are formed from the magma in the earth's crust and the lava from the eruption of volcanoes. How are minerals formed? Minerals are formed from the magma in the earth's crust and the lava from the eruption of volcanoes. And when they cool, they get transformed into crystals. Okay, students? Examples are magnetite, mica. Minerals are also formed when solid crystals remain behind after the process of evaporation. And then minerals get transformed from one form into another due to large changes in temperature and pressure. Some living organisms produce inorganic minerals. Examples are conches, shells, etc., formed for the protection of the body. Before I said examples of minerals which are formed from the magma in the earth crust is magnetite, mica, and which forms when solid crystals remain behind. Their examples are halite, gypsum. And when minerals get transformed from one form into another due to large changes in temperature and pressure, their examples are diamond, graphite. And some living organisms produce inorganic minerals. Their example is shell. Let's move towards classification of minerals according to their properties. There are non-metal minerals, metal minerals, energy minerals. Just follow page number 105. There the classification table is given. Non-metal minerals are mica, sulfur, gypsum, potash, graphite, diamond, feldspar. Metal minerals are iron, gold, silver, tin, bauxite, manganese, platinum, tungsten. And energy minerals are coal, mineral oil, natural gas. Let us move towards the next page, number 106. In this page, number 106, there is some important minerals and ores. They are iron ore, manganese, bauxite, copper, mica. Iron occurring in the impure state is called iron ore. And the examples where iron ore is used to make variety of articles from pins to heavy machineries, like for example farming implements, rails of railway tracks, etc. And the four main ores of iron are magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. Next comes manganese. Manganese occur in the form of its carbonate, silicate and oxides. Compounds of manganese are used in the preparation of medicines and for giving a pink tinge to glass. Manganese is also used in electrical appliances. Next comes bauxite. Bauxite is the most important ore of aluminium and it contains 55% of aluminium. Bauxite consists mainly of aluminium oxide. So that aluminium is a very good conductor of electricity and heat. Its density is low and therefore it is used mainly in aeroplanes, transport vehicles and to make electric wires. Copper. Copper is found in the impure state in the vicinity of iron and other minerals. It is also very good conductor of electricity and therefore it is used to make electric wires as well as in the radios, telephones, vehicles and for making kitchen utensils and statues. Next comes mica. Mica is a bad conductor of electricity. Its value depends on the thickness of its layers. Mica has many uses such as in Ayurvedic medicines, dyes, electric machines and equipment, wireless communication, equipment, etc. So here bauxite, it is the most important ore of aluminium. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. Mica is a bad conductor of electricity. Move towards fuels. Now children, what is meant by fuels? Fuels are the substance used for generating energy for daily use are called fuels. These fuels may be in the form of solid, liquid or in gaseous states. The first example is coal. Now millions of years ago, forest got buried under the ground. As a result of certain natural events, layers of soil kept getting deposited over them. They were very high pressure from above and the heat from the earth's interior. Slowly, it transformed the buried plants into fuel. Coal was thus formed from the remains of those plants. That is why coal is said to be a fossil fuel. Move towards page number 107. Coal is found in mines, peat, lignite. Lignite means brown coal. Bituminous coal and anthracite are the various types of coal. Anthracite is the coal of the highest grade. Okay students, you might have understood about the fuel. In that example we have taken as a coal. Coal is in a way a storehouse of carbon. It is burned to obtain heat energy. Coal is used as fuel. It is used as a fuel in thermal power plants such as boilers and railway engines. Coal is also used as a fuel for cooking and for baking brick in kilns on a large scale. The gaseous fuels, producer gas and water gas are obtained from coal. Coal as an energy resource, it contributes greatly to industrial development also. There is figure 16.3 and 16.4 on page number 107. First figure is showing us how the coal is formed, and the second figure 16.4 is showing how the natural gas and mineral oil is formed. Turn to page number 108. There are some important points which is based on mineral oil and natural gas. Mineral oil is the liquid fuel formed by the decomposition of organic substances buried under the ground. Mineral oil is also known as petroleum or crude oil. Like I said in the previous session, the examples are petrol, diesel, kerosene, lubricating oil, tar, etc. Now move towards to natural gas. Natural gas is an important fossil fuel. It is found associated with petroleum in underground oil wells and in some places as natural gas alone. Now the main components of natural gas is methane, ethane, propane, butane, which are present in small proportions. Let us move towards the characteristics of CNG. Now the full form of CNG is compressed natural gas, and full form of LNG is liquefied natural gas. Characteristics of CNG, that is compressed natural gas, are catches fire easily, no solid waste remains after combustion, carbon dioxide and water are formed in small quantities, other pollutants are not produced, it can be transported easily, combustion can be controlled easily. So here we end with this chapter number 16, natural resources. Inshallah, we shall continue the next following chapter in the next session, in the next period. Thank you.